So tonight, finally we get the wife that is going to ask Umseleku a very important question that nobody has asked. The question is, who qualifies to ask for his temple? And as usual, Selegu is winging it with the answer. He says that a man who qualifies to ask for his temple is a man who loves his wife, respects his wife. I had to rewind a number of times. Respects his wife, and who can take care of his wife. And I'm like, what a winged question, what a winged answer. Because how many men has Mseleku brought on this show who clearly cannot take care of their own wives, but they are asking to take the second wives? Guys, I'm ready to sign the petition. I'm ready. Where's my pen? I'm ready to sign the petition. Italian petition, guys. I'm ready to sign the petition to get this show off air, because the way that this woman will be crying on tonight's episode. Get ready, guys. Let's sign petition. Let's sign it. Get ready. The way this woman is crying, and Umseleku is not even moved by the tears of a woman. It's almost like he doesn't even give the woman a break to just cry. Just give her 2 minutes to just cry. Do you want to meet her? Do you want to meet Mamncane? Guys, let's hand petition. I'm ready. I'm ready to sign it. We need this show of a man. The way he gets pleased when he see a woman cry. Hi, but my job is not done if you don't meet her. Let's go call her. Let's meet her. Bringing men here who can't take care of their own wives to us to take second wives. Because the lady even cried even worse when he said that. Because this one cannot even take care of me. This one needs a counselor to teach him how to take care of his wife, but you are asking me. Ridiculousness. Anyway, you guys, he's on honor.